coming up in this video.
Welcome to LVMD channel. Today, we're going to give the Chanel Pearl Crush Mini a makeover. First, we remove the rusty hardware from the body of the bag. And then, we take out the intertwined leather from the chain to separate it. This process can be tedious, but you need to do it to achieve flawless results. Once the metal chain is separated, we can now apply polisher to remove the dirt and rust from it. Some hardware are gold-plated that reacts to harsh chemicals, so you need to use the appropriate cleaning product carefully. Next step is to clean the stained areas of the bag and remove the dirt marks. We use saddle soap in here to prevent the original collar from coming off, also making sure that the corners and crevices are cleaned properly. A little backstory of this purse owned by a little lady. Her mum wanted to surprise her with a new look and makeover of her favorite bag. We are overjoyed when she said her daughter loved the clean look of her Chanel and wore it on New Year's Eve. The original color of this mini bag is light powder blue. We will try to preserve and restore its color without any signs of repair. Stay with us and let us know what you think about the result at the end. May we add a disclaimer that LVMD do not discriminate the condition of any item to be repaired, nor do we hold any obligation to make the owner aware of the authenticity of their items. I am not sure if you noticed, but there are scuffs on this area that needs to be filled and also discoloration to be repainted. Now we do the repainting of the leather on chain strap. The rust has transferred badly to it, but this process also makes it thicker and basically stronger. Then we fixed it back to the chain strap. Another long process. And now you can install it to the bag ring using a pair of pliers. Finally, some cleaning and deodorizing under this complete. From rusty and dirty into a clean and fresh mini bag. Only by LVMD Handmade Luxury. Thanks again for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time.